Hey guys, we're here bringing you another video on Vinny Reviews It. Today we're checking out the Waterdrop filter. This one I particularly have is for a GE profile refrigerator. It works just as good as the GE refrigerator filters, but it's a little bit less money. And this is an Amazon affiliate video, so any sales through the link, you get a small commission at no cost to you. So we hope you guys support the channel to bring you other videos like this, that you'll use the links provided. So it's sealed in a plastic, and I'm just going to open it up for you guys. And they're supposed to change it. I think it's about 300 gallons of water that these filter. You're supposed to change it roughly. I guess it all depends on how much you use the water dispenser in your refrigerator. It's a NSF certified, so it's a good filter, and it's the model RPWF19C. It comes with a set of stickers, so you want to put this on so you know when you changed it last. I'll put this on when we put it in the refrigerator, and it has a little plastic cap. You remove it. And next, we're going to go over to the fridge. I'm going to install it. You have to drain it, not drain it, you have to flush it, because when you first put it in, you're going to get like black sediment. It's the charcoal in the filter. So you want to run about a quart of water through the filter first before you start drinking the tap water from it. It's not going to hurt you, but it probably is not going to taste too good either. So just give us a moment and we'll switch over to show you how to install. It's real easy. Okay, here we are at the fridge. And you take out your old filter. May be a little different on your particular model, but you just swing this door out, open that, and then this swings out, and you rotate this, and it comes off. Okay, I had to turn it out all the way. That was my bad, I didn't have it out all the way. So you take the old filter, and you see I had a sticker on it. So then you line this up, there's a key in there, like a groove. Just put this in, just locks in, and then sorry, don't want to hear the door alarm go off. So we put the sticker on, and this way you know when you need to change it again. You'll know when you actually need to change it before, if you don't want to look in there. When it starts getting where it can't filter anymore, the water flow is going to be really slow. When you first turn it on, you may get like some air in there, and then it'll come out really fast and splash some water. So have a towel ready when you do that. So right now I'm just getting some air out of it, and you could see, if you see in the camera, the water is kind of like dark brownish, or not really brownish, I'm sorry, like a grayish color. So you're going to get some air pops. Like I said, have a towel ready when you do this, because it's going to splash a little bit. But I'm actually running a quart right there, but I'm actually going to do another one. All right. Usually that's a quart container, so 2 quarts would be plenty. It's actually really clear already, but you know, just to be on the safe side, you get all the air bubbles out. So that's it, guys. Check out the link in the video description. And please use the link if you're going to purchase the filters. They work really good. I've been using them since I bought the refrigerator a couple of years ago. I've never had issues with them. And the water tastes good, and I use it all the time. We'll see you guys all on the next video.